Hey guys, this is Grigo Gaming and today we're playing Minecraft Pocket Edition in Hardcore mode. If you don't know, Hardcore mode is basically if you die once, your world gets deleted and you do not regenerate health. It's very hard. And yeah, let's get started. Today we're just doing the basic tools, but then we will gradually advance. So now I'm going to choose hardcore. I do not want to choose ultra hardcore, that is way too hard. I will probably fail that. You can't even use golden apples or super golden apples to heal you. It's literally really hard. I'm sorry about the marks, like the watermarks, like Vidtrim and recorded by Mobizin. There should be one by Video Show something, yeah. I'm using the GLS texture pack. As you can see, I'm lagging a bit because of it. It's the ultra one, I think, yeah. So after a while, I'm probably gonna change it back into the normal vanilla, and yeah. But the island looks really beautiful in this texture pack. I want to make my house on an island. I'm currently recording Shadowgun Dead Zone and this series, and I'm gonna make another one called Multiplayer. Minecraft Edition is when I play with random strangers and see if it will help me or just spot my buildings. Yeah, make sure to look forward to it. I'm sorry if this pod is boring you, but this is just a basic. And I will add the tree cavitator mod so I can chop trees down really super fast with just one block destroyed and I get reward. I'm gonna add it for next episode, yeah. So yeah. Let's make a crafting table and let's get some wood and some sticks and get some tools running. Yeah, as I said, I'm gonna make a new Minecraft Edition series, and guess what, guys? I'm gonna start trying to make thumbnails. For example, this episode will definitely have a thumbnail. Yeah, and it will so Shadowgun Dead Zone 1 only in my Minecraft Pocket Edition series for now because it's really easy to make thumbnail. All I gotta do is take a screenshot and stuff. Yeah. I'm looking for some stone to mine so I can get some cobblestone. I can make a sword, axe, stone pickaxe, stone sword, stone pickaxe, stone axe, and stone sword. And maybe later on a furnace. I should really hurry up because night might fall soon. And I have found no animals yet and no sheep. I need to gather 3 wool. Also, I had to go into mine 2 blocks in. Yeah, just mine 2 blocks. Then go into it and block myself so I won't die because this is hardcore and I don't want to take any damage right now. Yeah. Okay, let's put that, and yeah. Okay, this for you guys. So beautiful. Yeah, the texture pack / shaders pack is called the GLS shaders pack, I think. Or I'm not too sure what it's called. Just go back to the first couple of minutes in the video. Like, first minute, I show you what texture pack I was using. And if you want to download them, all you gotta do is search them up and add them to your block launcher.